71. Which of the following does the Togaf document define as architectural work product that describes an aspect of the architecture? What component of the architecture repository is an architectural representation of SBBs supporting the architectural landscape? Solution: landscape. Which of the following Togaf components are created to enable architects to design architecture addressing boundaryless information flow? The integrated information infrastructure models. Which of the following best describes the purpose of the architecture roadmap? It lists work packages on a timeline showing progress towards the targeted architecture. Which one of the following is considered a relevant architecture resource in phase D? Generic technology model relevant to the organization's industry sector. Which one of the following is considered a relevant architecture resource in ADM phase D? Generic technology model relevant to the organization's industry sector. Which one of the following statement about Togaf building blocks is true? The specification of a building block should be loosely coupled to its implementation. 78. Complete the sentence. The Togaf can be viewed as the process of populating the enterprise own with relevant reusable building blocks taken from the more generic side of the Enterprise Continuum architecture repository. During a Togaf ADM cycle, the architecture can be downloaded as version 1.0. What does this indicate? The formally reviewed detailed architecture. Which one of the following is the most relevant model for use in phase C? Application architecture. The integrated information infrastructure reference model. Which one of the following is defined Togaf as the foundational organization of a system embodies in its component, the relationship to each other and principles guiding its design and evaluation architecture. Which one of the following best describe the implication of Togaf being a generic framework? It must be adapted to satisfy organization-specific requirements. Let's complete the sentence. Togaf defines 5 criteria for a good set of principles: complete, consistent, stable, unstable, and robust. Which of the following best describes the purpose of Togaf library? To accelerate the creation of new architecture for the enterprise. Which of the following best describe the standard information base? A repository area holding specification to which architecture must conform. Which phase of ADM establish a set of principles? Preliminary phase. 87. Which of the following best describe the integrated information infrastructure reference model? It focuses on application architecture. Complete the sentence. It is a gap analysis, a building block that appears in the targeted architecture but does not appear in the baseline architecture, a new function that must be built or proceed. 89. Which of the following statement best describe the requirement management process? It is used to manage the architecture requirement through the ADM cycle. Which of the following describe the objectives of the preliminary phase? To establish the architecture governance process. What is the purpose of the standard information base within the architecture repository? It lists the set of specifications to which architecture